Welcome back. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to be looking at the use of the commas and compound sentences. We always use a comma before the coordinating conjunction in compound sentences. Remember that the coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. If you place the first letter of each conjunction side by side, you will spell the word fanboys. Then this will help you to remember the coordinating conjunctions. What is a compound sentence? A compound sentence has two or more main clauses, or two or more sentences coming together to form one sentence. Let's take a look at a few examples of compound sentences and how to use the commas in compound sentences. Example number 1. Stories about the Old West are entertaining, and stories set in foreign countries are interesting. The first clause states that stories about the Old West are entertaining. It is a complete sentence. We could put a full stop after the word entertaining. But it is a compound sentence. So we have another sentence that is joined. The other main clause or sentence states that stories set in foreign countries are interesting. Please note how both main clauses are joined by the coordinating conjunction and. Note also how the comma comes before the coordinating conjunction. Let us look at the second example. This compound sentence has three main clauses. Main clause number 1 states, stories entertain me. Main clause number 2 states, riddles amuse me. And the final main clause states that poems are my favorite. Each of these clauses could stand on their own as a complete sentence. But this again is a compound sentence, and it is made up of three main clauses. Remember, we said that a compound sentence is made up of two or more main clauses. The first main clause is joined to the second main clause with a coordinating conjunction and, while the second main clause is joined to the third main clause with the coordinating conjunction but. Also, note how the commas come before each coordinating conjunction. That's it for now. Please join us next time for more English with Sassy Sam. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.